Hi, it's Fazana again from the Fazmaths channel. In this video, we'll look at simplifying surds. Surds are basically just posh square roots, and when you simplify them, you break them down into factors, and it works. Okay, let me just show you. If you had surd 36, then you can break it down into factors and always try and make sure that one of them is a square number, yeah, but in this case both of them are, and you can tell it works because the square root of 36 is 6, square root of 9 is 3, times square root of 4 is 2. Okay, yeah, but in a lot of cases you don't have both square numbers, of course, otherwise you wouldn't need to simplify it. So make sure that one of them is square numbers. So your square numbers should be just rolling off your tongue. Yeah? Okay, so if we look at simplifying surd 12, then the square number is 4. So surd 4, surd 3. Okay, because 4 times 3 is 12. So again, you're looking for factors. So that simplifies to 2. So then your answer is 2 surd 3. Yeah? All right. Isn't that quite fun? Okay, the biggest square number you can think of, so that would be 9 times 2. So that simplifies to 3. So your answer is 3 surd 2. Okay, these two are quite common in exams, so make sure that you remember them off by heart. Okay, 80. Now 80, you're thinking, yes, it can be divisible by 4, which is a square number. 9, 16. Oh yeah, 16. Yeah, I don't think it will be any higher than that because 25, 36, 49. But it'll be 16 times 5. And that will give you 4 surd 5. Okay? Now, if you had said, oh, the highest thing factor I can think of, square number is 4, then you'd have got 4 surd 20, and that would have given you 2. But then you can see you can simplify the surd 20 into surd 4 and surd 5, and that simplifies to 2. So can you see you've got 2 times 2, which is 4, so then you get 4 surd 5. Yeah, so all is not lost if you can't think of the highest square number. But when you do simplify, you look at that 20 and see, is there another square number in there? All right. Okay, 98. Now, I hope you're okay with divisibility of numbers, and we'll discuss that in the next slide. So always try and sort of half it first. And if you half it, you can see, oh, it's 49 times 2. And that's such a lovely square number. So you've got 7 surd 2. Yeah? Okay, again here, we'll try dividing it by 2. So we've got 81 times 2. So that simplifies to 9. So you've got 9 surd 2. Yeah? 216. Okay, let's see. Can we think of anything? I'm just looking at those last 2 digits. Again, I'll discuss that in the next slide. If the last 2 digits can be divisible by 4, that means you can actually divide it by 4. So let's try it. So we've got surd 4, and 4 into 21 is 5, remainder 1, and 4 into 16 is 4. Yeah? Okay, and now we've got to think about this 54. So what square numbers can we think of that go into 54? We could get 9 and 6. Yeah? So that simplifies to 2, that simplifies to 3, and 2 times 3 is 6, surd 6. Okay? Yeah? If you could have thought that, 36 times 6 is 216, yeah, then you'd have got the 6, surd 6 straight away. Yeah, but all is not lost. As I said, just keep looking at these and thinking if there are any square numbers in there. Yeah, so you need to know your square numbers pretty well. Okay, let's just talk about the divisibility of numbers, because that really helps. Okay, a number can be divided by 2 if the number is even, which we learned in year 3. If you want to know if a number can be divided by 3, then the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. So you know that 2 plus 27 is divisible by 3, because when you add the digits, it comes to a multiple of 3. So if you had something like 2, 3, 5, that goes to 10, 2, yeah, if you add them all up, it comes to 12, so that means the whole number can be divided by 3, okay? If you want to know if a number can be divided by 4, the last 2 digits are a multiple of 4. So if you have 2016, then the whole number can be divided by 4, because 16 can be divided by 4. So it's the last 2 digits, okay? You're not adding the digits, all right? If a number can be divisible by 4 if it ends with a 5 or a 0, okay? If you want to know if a number can be divided by 6, then you're actually, if you add the numbers, it comes to a multiple of 3, and the number itself is even, okay? So you can see 27, of course, cannot be divided by 6, because although it's a multiple of 3 when you add them, the number itself is not even. Yeah, 27 is an odd number. But that number above there, 2352, it would come to 12. So it's a multiple of 3, and the number itself is even. All right? And if you want to know if a number can be divided by 9, then the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. So you know everything in your 9 times tables adds up to 9. Yeah, 36, 45, 54. So if you had something like 4, 7, 8, 19, 8, yeah, if you add them all up, it comes to 27, yeah? So that means the whole number can be divided by 9, okay? It's really useful knowing it. It just gives you that power when it comes to doing factors. Okay, now here I need you to pause the video and try doing these by yourself. And then unpause. And then I will go through the answers with you. All right? Okay, pause. All right, let's go through the answers here. So here we've got surd 9, surd 3. Yeah, that one's a square number. So that simplifies to 3. So we've got 3 surd 3. Okay, 24 would be surd 4, surd 6. So that simplifies to 2. So we've got 2 surd 6. 120, surd 128 would simplify to give 6 surd 64, surd 2, and that is 8 surd 2. Okay, all right, 112, you've got 12 there, so it might be 4, so surd 4, and 4 into 11 is 2, remainder 3, and 4 into 32 is 28. Yeah? Okay, if you look at the 28, it can still be simplified. So surd 4, surd 7. So that is 2, that is 2. So our answer is 4 surd 7. All right, 99, you can tell it goes into 9. So you've got surd 9, surd 11, and then that simplifies to 3 surd 11. Okay, 147. Okay, let's just check. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 7 is 12. So it can be divided by 3. So let's just try it because I can't think of a square number. So if we just put 3, let's see if that works. 3 into 14 is 4. Remainder 2, and 3 into 27 is 49. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, so then you've got 7 surd 3. Okay, 60. All right, we know it can go into 4 and 15. And you look at that 15 and there's no square number that goes into that. That is a factor of that. So that's as low as we can go. So it's 2 surd 15. 363. Okay, if you look at that number close enough, you can tell they all go into 3, yeah? And it works out really well because you've got 3 there. 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 6 is 2, 3 into 3 is 1. Nice square number. So we've got 11 surd 3. Yeah, 3 surd 11, 11 surd 3. Okay, and then 208. Okay, we can see it goes into 4 because 0, 8 can be divided by 4. So let's try that. We've got 4 and surd 52. That comes to 2, so we'll just circle it so we don't forget it. And then the surd 52 can also go into 4. So we've got 4 and 13. Yeah, so that also gives you 2. So your answer is 4 surd 13. All right, yes. I hope that was quite easy. I love surds. I just think it's just different. Yeah. Okay. Let's try something a little different. So sometimes you're asked to simplify all that, and sometimes that gives you a clue because you've got surd 2 there. Yeah. So I've got 7 surd 2. Now I think, can I do a surd 2 there? So I've got 3, and then if I make that surd 2, 2 times 4. Yeah, okay, and that simplifies to 2. And then minus, you've got 4, and because we had our 2's, 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 let's try a 2 there. 9 times 2 is 18. Yeah, so we've got surd 2's there. So you can see all we're doing is actually just collecting like terms. So you've got 7 surd 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6 surd 2 minus, and then 4 times 3 is 12 surd 2. So now you just look at the surds like as if it was an x. So if you had 7x plus 6x minus 12x, yeah? But here we're just collecting surds. So you've got 7 plus 6 is 13 minus 12 is 1. So your answer is just 1 surd 2, and you just write surd 2. Okay? So ugly turned really pretty. Yeah? Sometimes you get a combination of surd 2's and surd 3's. So let's say we've got 5 surd 2 plus 3 surd 3. So those don't need to be simplified. But here we've got 2. And you look at that 12. And again, it's one of those you should know off by heart. So you know that's surd 4, surd 3. So that gives you 2 there. And then you've got 50. And if you half it, it gives you a lovely square number. So 25 surd 2. So that gives you 5. Okay, so you've got 5 surd 2 plus 3 surd 3's plus 4 surd 3 minus 5 surd 2. Okay, that's collect like terms. So you've got 5 surd 2 minus 5 surd 2, so that disappeared. So you've just got 3 surd 3s plus 4 surd 3s, and you've got 7 surd 3s. Okay, yeah. All right, here, can you see how ugly that question looks? Yeah, but let's turn it around because we're so good with our surds now. So you've got 2, and again, can you see it's giving you a clue, and you have to find the value of k, so you know it's all about surd 2s. Yeah, so if it helps, put the surd 2 first, and then you think, oh yeah, 36. Yeah, that simplifies to 6. Okay, and then that will be, oh yeah, surd 16, surd 2. So that simplifies to 4. So then you've got 2 times 6 is 12 surd 2 minus 4 surd 2, which gives you 12 minus 4 is 8 surd 2. So your k is 8. Yeah, so k is 8. All right, great. Okay, that's all for now. I hope that was easy to understand. In part 2, we'll look at expanding double brackets with surds. Please watch my video on expanding double brackets with x's before the surds, and that way you're guaranteed to make no mistakes whatsoever. And of course, no mistakes are made if you're practiced hard. Keep working hard. Remember, you're in control. Take care. Until next time. Bye.